string riders were tough old birds traveling from spread to spread. They were a different breed, dear Lord, I wish they were still around here. Now all I got is a rodeo kid strutting her stuff and arena pins along. I wish it was still 1907. I wish it was the Will James days when all good buckaroos still rode the Sahara's. I wish it was the Will James days when all they had was the open range. Oh, the Will James days. I wish it was the Will James days when all little boys wanted to be cowboys when they grew up. And I wish it was the days when all you needed was a handshake for a cowboy's word. They passed on and now they're gone, and we'll miss them with all our hearts. The Will James days. I wish it was the Will James days when all good buckaroos still rode the Sahara's. And I wish it was the days when all they had was the open range. Turn around and they're long gone, the days when an old cowboy could sing his own song and be free to roam. Those days will never come again. Greed has fenced all the good cow country. And I'm wishing it was the Will James days. The Will James days. The good old days.
He's been out here for a month now, following some elusive cause. Put half his life behind him, and one day he just up and hit the wall. And it might be an illusion, but he's got to go and see if there's not a place for him somewhere west of Laramie, somewhere west of Laramie. I hope to find the rest of me, and it might be the best of me, somewhere west of Laramie. His friends all call him crazy. They think he's lost his mind. He's trading what's up ahead for everything he's left behind. He's got no destination. It changes with the breeze and the dust upon the dashboard. Somewhere west of Laramie, somewhere west of Laramie, I hope to find the rest of me, and it might be the best of me. Somewhere west of Laramie. There's nothing on the radio. He's writing his own song, building to the chorus with everything that comes along. And he's got no preconceptions. He's just satisfied to see the windshield's bigger than the mirror out here west of Laramie. Somewhere west of Laramie, I hope to find the rest of me, and it might be the best of me. Somewhere west of Laramie.
Tough old birds traveling from spread to spread. They were a different breed, dear Lord, I wish they were still around here. Now all I got is a rodeo kid strutting her stuff and arena pins along. I wish it was still 1907. James days when all good buckaroos still